This is Budaya Pop. Hello, welcome back to the show. Vans just dropped another collaboration, and this time with America's most famous primetime family, The Simpsons. So they've done several in the past: Star Wars, Toy Story, Nightmare Before Christmas, Charlie Brown, and the most recent one was National Geographic. Some are hit and a miss, like the Toy Story one, the Star Wars one, I definitely collected. I also collected the Nintendo collab, but I took a pass at the Charlie Brown, Nat Geo, and the Nightmare Before Christmas because I felt those designs were a tad bit lazy. I like designs where they give a bit more thought into it and how they design the sneakers, as opposed to just kind of slapping things on the side and just call it a day. With the Simpsons one, there were a few simple designs, but the two that stood out for me were the old schools. Ta-da! I actually bought two of, I think there was another old school. I can't remember. So I bought two. And here we are. It's so pretty, look. See, like I said, this one, they gave a lot of thought into it. They utilize the assets of what the Simpsons is. There's Lat Donuts, this is the family home, Moe's, and the power plant. So I thought, see, packaging, it's pretty. It is. Back the size, Lat Donuts, again Moe's, and a power plant. So yes, I bought these two. So one is the Moe's and the other one is the Bouvier sisters. So it's Marge and her sisters. So yeah, I had to pick up one with Homer and one with Marge. So let's unbox them, shall we? Which one is this? Okay, I'll do the most one first. Oh, pretty. Nice. Yeah, I think the paint runs a bit. Check that out, see? It's a nice touch. Moe's right at the back. So yeah, the one with Moe's, there's actually, the two sides are different. As you can see, this one has Homer and Barney. It's cute. This one has Lenny, Carl, and Moe. As you all know, these are the patterns on the windows of Moe's. It's kind of nice. Some actually say it looks like fake Louis Vuittons. It's inside. Can't see. I can't see. Old schools. I know something about old schools. I just really love old school Vans. A bit more clearer. You can see here. You can see. Yeah. Windows. So you know you're at Moe's when you see the windows. Oh, that was lame. That was an unintentional rhyme, by the way. I swear to God. It's not. Now I'm gonna open the other one. The Bouvier sisters. Yeah. Okay. Bam. That's nice. Oh wow, look at that. See that? So that's actually a texture. It's like a carpet, cotton, some sort. I think that's nice. So you have the Bouvier sisters, Patty, Selma, and Marge. The Bouvier sisters, I thought this was nice too. Again, as you can see on this side, got their feet here. That's actually leg hair sticking out. That's cute. Yeah, the colorway is kind of nice too. See, it's cream white with, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I think this is a combination of their outfits. The blue is definitely from Marge's hair. The pink you see here is from Selma? Patty. I don't know which is which because they're twins. And yeah, the cream, where is the cream coming from? But yeah, nice yellow laces, obviously, because they're the Simpsons. So I must say I'm quite happy with the purchase. I actually wanted to get several others. I think there was a slip-on, there was one with Bart Simpson and the Skate High, where they had the original drawing of the Simpsons on one side and the modern day version of the Simpsons on the other side. But I felt that was a bit, again, too lazy, so I didn't pick it up. So I picked these two up. Pretty nice. Let me just display them side by side. Yeah, I don't know why I have an affinity for the old schools. I guess it's just again, as the name says, it's old school. You know, skater shoes. This goes with anything, joggers, shorts, jeans, just not baggy ones, okay? No baggy jeans. It goes well with almost anything and everything. Either you can go with the plain white socks or you can go funky. Works both ways. I sometimes like to go funky. I do have a lot of funky socks. The Toy Story one and the Nintendo one, I also am rocking the old school. As I said, I like the design. They're simple, goes with anything. And I think, to me, within the Simpsons collection, these two kind of stand out. I was kind of keen to get the El Bardo one, but it was not on sale at the Van store itself. If you want to get the rest of the collection, I suggest you head on down to So What. I believe they carried, I think, all of the lines. So if you want to get your hands on every single pair, why don't you head on down to So What. You can also check them online. I will definitely leave a link in the description below so you guys can check out their website and see if they're still in stock. This is my short and sweet unboxing. This is definitely not a review because, I mean, come on, it's the old schools. We all know what the old schools are, you know, rubber soles, some form of cushioning, but we're not buying this for comfort, definitely. All in all, I do like the Simpsons Vans collaboration line. I wish I could get my hands on all of them, but unfortunately, these bad boys run for about $329 a pop, and budget permits me to only buy 2 pairs. But Vans, if you're listening or if you're watching, I wouldn't mind if you send some over. Hey! So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until the next one, please stay safe and I will see ya.